If you are looking for a great portable charger to charge your car, if it's low on air, bicycles, motorcycles, all that kind of stuff, any kind of tire, inflate basketballs, pool toys, all that kind of stuff, you're going to want to check this out. I'm going to show you it in action. After this, I'm going to show you everything you get, answer all your questions, and then again, at the end of the video, I'll show you how I inflate the tire. So let's take a closer look at what you're going to get right over here. So this comes with a cigarette lighter charger, which is really, really nice. Some of the other ones I've come across do not have this charger at all. So really like that part about it. It also comes with this charger right over here. So to charge this, you're gonna just put it up top in here. Plug this into just one of your typical plug power blocks, and you'll be good to go. Comes with this nice carrying case right over here. I'm gonna kind of walk you through the setup over here. Super easy to do. So for this one too, you do get, it does charge devices. So you could use this as a power bank as well. So for whatever reason, if you were stuck and needed to charge a device, your phone, whatever, you could do that via USB C and the normal USB. This also does have 3 different light modes. So when we turn this on right over here, we're just going to click this button. You got that. We got kind of a slow flash and then a quicker flash right over here. So if you're trying to signal someone, that's kind of what you would use. You got 3 different options right over there. To turn this on over here, we're just going to kind of press down. I have the plastic on. I know I am kind of weird. I don't know. I just like keeping it on. I feel like it just is better for the whatever you have. You can take it off. Doesn't really matter. So right over here is how you're gonna switch back and forth. So right up there, you'll see it has car. You're looking like right up there. That is gonna be bike. And then we got bicycle. And then we have a ball right over there. It does come with all these different attachments as well. So you do have that pin for a ball. You got this for kind of pool floats and stuff like that. You got to blow up a beach ball or whatever you need to do, it kind of accommodates that. Of course, we have easy to use guide right over here, how to get this set up. I do show you kind of how to use this outside as well. But since we're over here, if we wanted to go, if you want to do your car, we're just going to select the car right over here. You'll see it's blinking down there. That's kind of what you want to inflate to. So if it is 36, you're good to go. You're just going to hit this button right over here. If you wanted to put it more than that, it goes up in increments of 0.5. So you'll see it's 37. Now it's, oops, 37.5. Which is nice. Most of the other ones go up by increments of 1. So if you wanted to be super precise, you have that option. And then you would just hit that right over there, and it would start going and pumping. And it's going to show you right over here. You'll see it outside. So it's hard to see outside because the sun kind of messes with it. But it's going to, when you put this into your tire right over here, it's going to tell you what the PSI is. So let's just say the PSI was 35. As it goes up, so it'll be like 35.5, 36. So you know exactly how much more you have to go, which is nice. This does have a really great battery life as well, which makes it like, I like that. You'll see here compared to my phone, it's not much bigger than my phone. So pretty compact if you look at it that way. Not super heavy, but packs a lot of power, which is great. Again, you get this carrying case right over here, so you can put everything in there. Before I show you exactly how it goes, if you are looking for a great portable charger to charge pretty much anything, I mean, you could charge your devices, you could inflate your tires, and the best part about this one right here, I've got a couple other ones. It does come with the cigarette lighter. I know some people don't even have them anymore, but if you have one, this could be a great option. If you don't have any power to this for whatever reason, you can literally just plug this in and you're good to go. We also got these 5 attachments right over here. The hose, everything super compact goes in here, and a charger as well. If you're looking for a great portable air charger, this is for you. Let's go see it in action. All right, so we're gonna inflate this tire right here. Super, super simple, really easy to use. We're just gonna hit this button right over here. That's what's gonna start it up. And this button right here is going to rotate. So you'll see right over here, you could do all sorts of different pumps with this. So right now it's showing that it's a PSI of 36. If we wanted to go higher than that, we just hit this plus button right over here and it goes up in increments of 5. So we're gonna just go to 40. So you can see it's 40. If the screen's going kind of crazy, don't worry about it. And then it just has this, you literally have this little orange piece right over here to kind of a little extra seal there. So push that down and then you're literally just gonna put this on your tire just like that. Make sure to push that down just like that. And then you're literally just gonna hit this and wait for it to go. And then if you wanted to stop it, you could just hit that and then hit that again to go full force. Absolutely love this thing. If you are looking for a great portable tire inflator that's super light, compact, does a ton of different stuff, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.